What are the traditions and heritage of Connemara? If you're curious about the traditions and heritage of Connemara, you're about to uncover a treasure of Irish culture. Let's start with the landscape itself, which sets the tone for this traditional heartland. Connemara, located in County Galway, is known for its rugged terrain, old stone walls, and the soft colors of its rust-colored bogs and polished gray-blue lakes. One of the most significant traditions in Connemara is the Irish language. This region is one of the largest Gaeltacht areas, where locals use Irish in their daily lives. You can experience this linguistic heritage firsthand by visiting places like Knocksuane, a cultural retreat where you can learn the language, bake Irish soda bread, or even take Irish dancing lessons. Music and dance are also integral parts of Connemara's traditions. Traditional pubs like Molly's in Letterfrack, Lowry's in Clifton, and the Shamrock Bar in Roundstone frequently host lively trad sessions, where musicians gather to play traditional Irish music. These sessions are a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and enjoy the warm hospitality of the area. Food in Connemara is another reflection of its rich heritage. The region has a strong seafaring tradition, and smoked fish, such as smoked salmon and mackerel, are local favorites. You can visit the Connemara Smokehouse and Visitor Center to see the craft of smoking up close. For a bite to eat with a spectacular view, try the Misunderstood Heron food truck, which serves excellent Killary Fjord mussels overlooking the waters they come from. The Connemara Heritage and History Center is a must-visit to understand the history and heritage of the area. Located near Clifton, this center offers an audiovisual presentation on the history of Connemara in multiple languages, including English, Irish, German, and French. You can also explore reconstructions of early settlements like crannogs, ring forts, and clochons, and take a guided tour that includes turf cutting and other demonstrations. Connemara is also home to beautiful attractions like Kylemore Abbey, famous for its romantic history and stunning gardens. The Connemara National Park and Killary Fjord boat tours offer opportunities to explore the natural beauty of the region. In summary, Connemara's traditions and heritage are deeply rooted in its language, music, food, and history. Whether you're interested in learning Irish, enjoying traditional music, or exploring the local cuisine and historical sites, Connemara has something unique to offer, making it a true heartland of Irish culture.